below. It really helps with the growth of my channel. And also don't forget to hit that like button. Now in today's video, we're going to be learning about the Spanish verbs ser and estar and how we use Spanish subject pronouns with those verbs. I highly recommend that you take a look at the video Spanish subject pronouns. I will link that video down below in the description box. That video goes over all of the Spanish subject pronouns. The video goes into detail of what each Spanish subject pronoun means and how we use them in a sentence. I'm also going to do a little bit something different now in my videos. I want to start teaching you 10 Spanish words a lesson. Yes, 10. So throughout the lesson, when I go over sentences, I will highlight in red a Spanish word. That will be part of the 10 words that you will learn in that lesson. And then at the end of the lesson, we will go ahead and review each of the new Spanish learned words so that you can get a better understanding of the word and then you can add that to your vocabulary. All right, without further ado, let's begin. First, we're going to review the Spanish verb ser. Now, ser is used to identify things or people. Now, here's a sentence to remember. ¿Qué es eso? What is that? Es un polígrafo. Polígrafo. It is a pen. Polígrafo. Pen. Now let's review Spanish subject pronouns. Spanish subject pronouns are used to refer to a person without using that person's name. Now, when using the verb ser, here is how we use each of the Spanish subject pronouns. Let's start with the first one. Yo soy. I am. Tú eres. You are. Usted es. You are. Él, the masculine, or ella, the feminine, es. Él es. Ella es. He is, or she is. The next one, nosotros, or nosotras, somos. We are. Vosotros, vosotras, sois. You are. Ustedes son. You are. Ellos or ellas son. They are. Good job. Spanish does not have a subject pronoun for it or they when referring to things. When subject pronouns are used in Spanish, they are usually used for emphasis. Let's look at some example sentences. All right. Mi automóvil. My car. Automóvil. Automóvil. Car. Es pequeño. It's small. Pequeño. Small. Las faldas. The skirts. Faldas. Faldas. Skirts. Son caras. They're expensive. Caras. Expensive. Soy de Nueva York. Nueva York. I am from New York. Nueva York. New York. All right, good job. Now, Spanish subject pronouns may be used by themselves without verbs, either for emphasis or to point someone out. Let's look at some examples. Here's our first sentence. ¿Quién? ¿Yo? Who? Me? Yo no soy de California. I am not from California. Soy de Nueva York. I am from New York. ¿Cómo está usted? How are you? Estoy bien. ¿Y usted? I'm doing good. And you? All right, good job. Now, ellos, ellas, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, and vosotras are all subject pronouns that refer to a group of people. Here are some sample sentences that uses the Spanish verb ser, using those Spanish pronouns. The first one. ¿Y ellos? And those guys? ¿Quiénes son? Who are they? Now we will review the Spanish verb estar, which means to be, and how we use estar for Spanish pronouns. Remember, we use the verb estar to locate people and objects. Let's review. Estar, to be. Yo estoy. I am. Tú estás. You are. Usted, él, ella, está. You are. Nosotros, nosotras, estamos. We are. Vosotros, vosotras, estáis. You are. Ustedes, ellos, ellas, están. They are. Now let's practice using the Spanish verb estar. Here is our first question. ¿Dónde está la profesora? Where is the professor? Profesora, professor. Está en clase. She's in class. Clase. Miguel, ¿dónde está su libro? Miguel, where is your book? Libro, book. Está en casa. It's at home. Casa, home. Esta semana traerán sus libros. They will bring their books this week. Semana, week. Good job. All right, as promised, let's review the 10 new learned Spanish words from today's lesson. We have our first word, polígrafo, pen. Automóvil, automobile. Faldas, skirt. Cara, expensive. Now, cara also means face. Nueva York, New York. Profesora, professor or even teacher. Clase, class. Libro, book. Casa, home. And finally, semana, week. Great job! That's all for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!